Hey guys, this is my first ever makeup tutorial since my video got deleted, so let's get going with it. I'm going to be using the Poreless Face Primer by e.l.f. and I'm going to spread it all over my face. Now I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna foundation in the shade 270. Make sure you blend well because the foundation dries very quickly and you want to make sure you don't have any makeup mistakes. Now I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris True Match Concealer in the color W45. For my contour, I'm going to be using the Ready Insta-Fix by Revlon in the color Caramel 190. Now I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the color Ebony. I'm going to be skipping this because I take too long doing my eyebrows and this video is going to be really long. Now I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York FIT powder in the shade 225. I put a lot on my nose because I have really oily face and really oily nose, so it's kind of necessary for me to do that. Now I'm going to be using the Flamingo eyeshadow palette by Violet Voss, and I'm going to be using the color Beach Ball. I'm going to use this color as my grease. Now I'm going to be using the color Flamingos. I'm going to use it above the grease. And then I'm going to blend. And blend some more. Gotta make sure it's all blended and you don't have like a fatal eyeshadow blend. Now I'm gonna wipe off the powder. Now what I'm just gonna do is I'm going to fix the wing with concealer so it doesn't look that messy and it doesn't look like just a bad wing. Now I'm gonna use the color Watermelon to just fix my eyeshadow a little bit and make the green stand out more. It's almost 2 a.m. and I'm really tired, so please excuse my voice. Now I'm gonna use the Sephora liquid eyeliner. Alright, let's keep going. Now I'm going to be using the color Tidal Wave and I'm going to put it on top of my grease. Now I'm going to use the color Flamingos under my eyes. Then I'm going to use Beach Ball under my eyes as well, but on the eye, I think, the eyelid. Now I'm going to use the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. Now I'm going to use the blush by Tarte in the shade Paaarty. Now I'm going to use the Beverly Hills Glow Kit palette in the color Summer. Fill it in. I get the bag. My friends, you can see in this. Yeah, okay. Now I'm going to put my lashes on. These lashes, I got them at Walmart. They're from Ardelle. They're pretty good for Walmart quality lashes. So yeah, I'm currently using my fingers because I don't have tweezers at the moment, if you're wondering. Now I'm gonna use the Great Lash Mascara by Maybelline New York. Now I'm gonna grab highlighter and put it under my brows. I'm also gonna put it in the corner of my eyes for more volume to my eyes. Then I'm gonna grab my eyeliner and do like a little wing around my eyes, just so I give them more effect on them so they don't look dull. Ew. Now I'm gonna take the Sephora cream lip stain in the color 41. And our look is complete. Please like and subscribe, comment on the video, like it, spread it, I don't know. Also follow me on my social media. All products will be down below in the description box. Now I'm gonna model the look just as any other makeup guru would. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.